Controlling. Controlling is the last part of our export marketing plan, but is very, very important because through controlling, we are able to evaluate our performance. So, after implementing our marketing strategy in the year, if that particular export marketing plan was for 1 year, for example, we have the results. So we will evaluate our strategies, our overall export marketing plan through those results. So this checking of performance could be through the lens of objectives, that we have determined certain objectives to be achieved, maybe in the shape of sales, that in first year, second year, third year, we would be doing this much of sales in terms of dollars, for example. Or we might have selected our objectives on the basis of market share. So we could have devised our objectives that in the first year, I may be having 5% of the market share. In the second year, maybe 10%. In the third year, maybe the 20%. So we can evaluate our marketing plan on the basis of the market share, that have we achieved that market share or not, or maybe on the basis of profit, that how much profit we expected to earn from that particular market through a specific export marketing plan. So we would see that how much of the objectives would be achieved. Are they 100% achieved? Are they 75% achieved? Or 50% achieved? Maybe 25% of the set objectives have been achieved. So, if a good part of the objectives could not be achieved, then the second part of this evaluation process looks into that why that is not achieved. The assumptions on the basis of which the objectives were determined. Is there any changes on those assumptions? Or the assumptions are the same? Then we may also look into the past performance. This year's performance vis-a-vis last year's performance. This year's performance vis-a-vis last 5 years' average performance. We could look into, for example, if it is sale, so we would look into the performance on the basis of, if we are talking about the sales, so on the basis of units sold, that how many units we have decided, or what was our goal, and how many units actually be sold, and how many units we had been selling in the previous years. Same comparison could be through the lens of value maybe in the terms of dollars, that what was our sale last year, 5 years back, average sales in terms of dollars for that particular specific country, and in compared with the sales in terms of dollars of this particular year. And where do we stand? Is our marketing program going good? Or if we are unable to achieve our major objectives and targets, and why it has happened so. Sometimes it is also possible that there is problem with the objective determination. Maybe your objectives are too ambitious. So that also included in the controlling part of the plan, on the basis of which we redetermine the objectives for the next year, and then that marketing plan keeps going on.